the people of Bihar who did not choose for them. And we are talking about, as far as when it comes to the people who will now be sitting in the opposition, whether be it the Mahagathbandhan or even the political party that made its debut, which is the Jan Suraj party. Now look at the stark contrast, because here, after this embarrassing defeat that came in Bihar, Jan Suraj party leader and founder Prashant Kishore admitted that it was his fault, his vision that did not go across to the people. He could not build their trust, and he's taken 100% responsibility for that. And for atonement, for prayashchit, he has decided that he will observe a day-long Maun Vrat or a silent fast. And this is now coming across as sharp contrast to the Congress party, because the Mahagathbandhan and the leaders of the Congress party are already deciding that even before the voting began, they have been calling it that it was biased, it was manipulated, and saying, continuing with their vote chori narrative, that they are going against the SIR exercise that could be conducted in the rest of the country, and they are expected to hold these grand rallies and protest in the national capital. But first, let's listen in to Prashant Kishore himself admitting defeat.
हम लोग के प्रयास में, हम लोग के सोच में, हम लोग के बताने के तरीके में जरूर कुछ गलती रही होगी कि जनता ने हम लोग को नहीं चुना है, जनता ने हम लोग पर वो विश्वास नहीं दिखाया, तो उसकी जिम्मेवारी जो है वो पूर्णतः मेरी है, प्रशांत किशोर की है। और वो जिम्मेवारी मैं 100% अपने ऊपर लेता हूं कि मैं बिहार की जनता को, अपने साथियों को, इस व्यवस्था से जुड़े हुए लोगों को, जिस प्रयास से हम लोग जुड़े थे, जिस प्रयास को करना चाहते थे, उससे उनका विश्वास उस पर मैं नहीं जीत पाया। मैं अपने लोगों को, बिहार के लोगों को ये नहीं समझा पाया कि किस बात पर उनको वोट देना चाहिए, क्यों उनको नई व्यवस्था बनानी चाहिए। तो प्रायश्चित के तौर पर मैं अपने से भितिहरवा आश्रम में 1 दिन का उपवास, मौन उपवास रखूंगा।
Well, from Upwas to Dharna, this is how Congress seems to be reacting, calling the outcome of Bihar results as shocking and truly surprising, even when it comes to the landslide victory that was given to the BJP and the JDU combined, saying that the election commission wasn't fair from the very beginning as far as talking about biasness and manipulation and vote chori. Rather, for calling for any manthan or introspection, Congress netas have now vowed to escalate the fight against the election commission. A comprehensive strategy review meeting that was chaired by the Congress party president Mallikarjun Kharge, which included Congress representatives from states and union territories where the SIR process is underway. And this is how the Congress party is now planning to hold mega rallies that will first begin from the Ramlila Maidan in the first week of December.
Today, our meeting, all the things are discussed. Our leaders, Honorable Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji, alerted the PCCs about this sinister attempt of election commission. We are going to fight against all these things. The motive of the election commission is to destroy democracy. The motive of the election commission is to destroy the opposition parties, which never happened in this history. Therefore, we are going to the streets. First week of December, Congress party is doing a massive rally in Ramlila Maidan.